I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Summer Tournament, Round 1, Heat 1. We have 18 competitors in this Summer Series tournament, so let's have a closer look at the first three who are racing in Heat 1. First up, we have the 66 Chevy Nova, and it's my pick to take out the first heat. The next car up is the 1970 Roger Dodger. Let's see how this car handles Mount Western Raceway. And the final car in today's lineup is the Dodge Challenger drift car. How will the Dodge go against the other two competitors? Let's find out. The first car to win 3 races advances on to the semi-finals.
Let's do it.
Cars are in the starting lineup. Oh, and the Dodger goes off the track. I can't wait to see the replay on that. The Dodge Challenger takes out the first race. Let's go to the replay and see what happened. I've never seen anyone come off the track that early in the race. And an easy win for the Dodge Challenger. So the Dodge Challenger takes out the first race in a time of 5.54. Race 2. Nice clean start. The 66 is taking the lead. And the 66 Nova into turn 2 is looking like he's going to win. Yes, it's an easy win by the 66 Nova. Let's have a look at the replay. If the 66 continues like this, it'll be all over Red Rover. Good early pace and is just dominating the track. So there you have it, the 66 Chevy Nova with a win and the Dodge Challenger. The Roger Dodger yet to score a win. Race 3. The 66 taking the lead. Oh, and here comes the Dodge and he's upside down. The 66 is going to win this easy. Hang on! Oh, Roger Dodger comes from behind. A late charge by the Roger Dodger gives him his first win on Mount Western Raceway. Let's look at the replay. Another good clean start. Yeah, you can see the 66 rear ends the Dodge, pushing him into the bank and flips him over. And this late charge from Roger Dodger right down to the wire. Look at that, there's nothing in it. But the Roger does score a win. Let's have a look at another angle. Well, there you have it. Roger Dodger finally gets a win. 1 win all going into race 4. Race 4. All Roger Dodger spins and loses pace on turn 1. And the 66 is blocking the Dodge. DNF on this race. Let's look at the replay. Yeah, the Roger Dodger had a funny start, spinning around. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of cars blocking. So this results in a DNF for all vehicles, heading into race 5. Race 5. Roger Dodger out early into turn 1, nice pace down the straight, into turn 2, and it looks like a convincing win. Only just though. So the Roger Dodger scores another win Race 5. Let's go to the replay. Yeah, the Dodge comes out slow. 66 is all right, but the Roger Dodger definitely has its pace on this afternoon. Yeah, it's a convincing win by the Roger Dodger. Let's look at another angle. The 66 and the Dodge were fighting it out coming out of turn 2. 66 is all right, and so is the Dodge. So there you go, Roger Dodger, 2 wins, Chevy Nova 1, and the Dodge Challenger 1. Race 6. Could Roger Dodger get 3 in a row? Good early pace in the turn 1. Oh, he hits the side, slowing down, and here comes the Dodge. Oh, it's a great win by the Dodge. That gives him 2 wins. What a great little car this one is, the Dodge Challenger. Let's go to the replay. And Roger Dodger had great early speed. That's too many sidewalls, and look, here comes the Dodge Challenger just putting the pace on and just showing them all how to win at Mount Western Raceway. Let's look at another angle. So there you have it, Dodge Challenger 2, Roger Dodger 2 and Chevy Nova 1. Race 7. Roger Dodger out front early. Oh, he flips and he's over. Here comes the Dodge. Oh, this is going to be a convincing win. What an awesome run the Dodge Challenger has had here at Mount Western Raceway. So the Dodge Challenger is through to the first semi-finals here at Mount Western Raceway. Let's look at the replay. Roger Dodger had it right out front straight away into turn 1. Oh, he just hits that sidewall and flips over. But look at the pace of Dodge Challenger. Right up high on the sidewall, and the pace is on. Congratulations, Dodge Challenger. You will be going through to the first semi-finals. So let's look at the scoreboard. Dodge Challenger in a time of 5.050. 3 wins, Roger Dodger 2, and the 66 Chevy Nova 1 win. So there you have it, the Dodge Challenger is the first car to make its way through to the semi-finals. This car fought hard and tough and won through in the end. Anything can happen here at Mount Western Raceway. I'm Hot Car Track, and thanks for watching.